Alright, well, Robert here. Didn't catch any fish tonight, but I enjoy some of these clips that I did. I have a few bloopers in it, so just enjoy a few of the clips of tonight's fishing trip. Unfortunately, no fish was caught, but yeah, just enjoy some of the clips. Alright. Hello everyone, Robert here. I'm at the Jordan River. Doing some catfishing tonight, and I'm not doing a bait off or anything. My blue rod, I am running a worm, and then I'm running it's just like the Secret 7, but it's not. It's the sudden impact fiber bait. You can use just a bare treble hook with this stuff. Really good stuff. You can learn how to use it at teamcatfish.com. So I'm at the Jordan River, fishing for cats, and stay tuned. Hopefully I can get some fish and show it to you. Alright, thanks. I moved my location. I am under the bridge of the Jordan River now. What I'm doing is I'm casting it straight out, letting the current take and getting it out in the sun. So basically, it's getting out there in the slower current. I relocated just, I'm still at the same area of the Jordan River, but now I'm under the bridge. Still running worm and sudden impact fiber bait. Smells pretty good. Yeah, and then I noticed this over here. It's hanging from up there on a bracket. Does anyone have any idea what that could be? My thing is some kind of an instrument to measure the water, but I could be wrong. Post a comment if you have any idea in your state if they put things like that on the river. So this is my first time ever fishing under the bridge of the Jordan River, so this is a whole new ball game for me, but I'm hoping I'll be showing you guys some fish here shortly. Alright, thanks. Folks, it is very slick. I just slid down. Got my shoe all soaking wet. Got my behind really dirty. The joys of fishing. I love it. Nothing like that's gonna slow me down. Oh my gosh, I am just filthy. That's what showers are for. Update, still no fish. They're bound to be here. I mean, I'm casting over here, having my line end up over here. It's getting a little overcast and everything, so I'm still confident I'm gonna catch one. And stay tuned. Alright.